Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? Alright, so we have a Hobbii order. Yes, we do. Okay, so I ordered this on July 16th. Today's July 26th. It arrived today. 10 days. That is not bad. Because they are in, I just saw a beautiful color. They're in, where are they? Denmark. And I'm in Canada. So that's good. Alright, so they had a certain yarn that was, wow, that was on sale. Last time it was on sale, I did not buy it. Because I was being good. But this time I was being bad, so I bought it. Alright, it's all the same yarn. It's just, I think, 3 different colors. Oh, okay. Okay. I ordered 12. 6 of one color, 3 of another, and 3 of another. Okay. Oh, I forgot to look at pricing. It doesn't say pricing. Okay. I'll give you pricing at the end. I'll break it down into Canadian funds. Okay. Let's start off with this. I've been wanting this. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, it's Twister Solid. 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. Yes. And how much is in here? 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 400 meters, 437 yards. Recommend needle is 3 to 4 millimeter and hook is 3.5 to 4 millimeter. It's a 2 fine. You can wash it. Ooh, it says you can iron it. Don't put in the dryer. Don't bleach. Lay flat to dry. Designed in Denmark, made with love in Turkey. This is color number 1122. Color is 105, which is black. Yes, black. And it has the pull start. Okay. So I got 6 of the black. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Whew. And then I got 3 of this next color. Yeah, baby. Okay, so all the same stats, blah, blah, blah. Color 107, and it's a teal. It's a gorgeous teal. Yes, it is. Oh my, gorgeous. 2, 3. And a candy. Okay, now the next color, look at that. Ooh, it's kind of almost like maybe a raspberry, but maybe not as dark. Okay, same thing, Twister, solid, 55 cotton, 45 acrylic, 400 meters, 437 yards on one. Seems like a lot, doesn't it? Anyway, it's a 2 fine. Okay, color is 111. So I have 3. So that's over 1,200 yards. Yeah, 437, so 4 times 3 is 12. That's over 1,300 yards. Like 440 would be... Golly. Anyway. So yeah, it's like over 1,300 yards. Plan on making summer tops or something, well, something for summer because it's cotton and it's 2-weight. So that's what I got. That's what I got. So I will come back with some pricing and let you know what it is in Canadian funds and American, and with shipping costs and all that stuff. And I'll break it down to what it costs per ball. All right, be right back. Okie dokie. So when I bought them, and I had put them in a community post to let you guys know, they were $5.90 each, which is $7.79 Canadian. They are now on their site at $13.10 American. I did not convert that to Canadian. It's too much in American. Imagine what it is in Canadian. Okay. So shipping from them is $9.99 US, which is $13.99 Canadian. I don't know if they charged me tax. Okay, so at $7.79 each, about 12, so that is $93.48 Canadian, plus the shipping. Okay, plus the shipping came to $107.47. So divided by 12 is $8.95. So each one, Canadian was $7.79, and once you work in shipping, it was $8.95. That's a good deal, especially when they are now American $13.10 each. And I got them at $5.90 American each, which is $7.79 Canadian. And then once you do the shipping and stuff, $8.95 for one. That's a good deal. I mean, there's supposed to be 400 and some, it's 437 yards on here on one. So that's a good deal. It's a 2-weight. I like 2 weights. Come here, come here. Yeah, it says it's a 2-weight. Yeah. All right, so that is it. I am very happy with my order. I am happy with these colors. They're out of black. So maybe I got the last of the blacks. I don't know, but they're out of black. But they do have this teal, and they do have this one, which they call on their site marsala, M-A-R-S-A-L-A. Beautiful colors. Yeah, so thank you for joining me, and I really appreciate y'all. And I'll see you all again soon. Oh, I'm working on the tutorial for that. It's like a sweater type thing. It's got the browns and white and gray, and then the darker gray, and it's buried under my yarn right now because I'm doing the tutorial, and I just covered it up with a towel so my little Minnie wouldn't play with it or chew on it. She's a chewer. Yeah. So yeah, but oops, almost dropped my candy. All right, you guys, thank you so much. And yeah, I'm working on that tutorial. It won't be out this week. I said it to a couple of weeks, or it'd be out within a couple of weeks. So I'm hoping to have it out by the end of next week. You know how things go. All right. Thanks everyone for joining me, and I really appreciate all of you. Give me a like. Give me a like. It helps us out. And comment if you wish. Share this video to your social media. It's really appreciated. All right. Bye for now, guys. Thanks.